Hello everyone, welcome to another video of FFL 24/7. Today we are going to be helping our client to buy an SUV. So one of our client has reached out to us to get some help on buying a car. So they're looking for an SUV. So as you know, the car buying experience can sometimes be very tricky and very treacherous. So like negotiating and finding the best car for you. So we are going to be helping our client today to buy a new car. So we will be helping on behalf of them, like negotiating the prices and get the best deal out of them. So we will be checking out the car, like the features wise, so what features they need. So based on our client's requirement, the features they require. So our goal as an advisor is going to be find an efficient deal for our customers. So that is our goal today. So we have figured out a two-car dealership. So one is Kia and the second one is going to be Mazda. So first we have stopped by at a Kia dealership. So that is where we are going to be checking out our next car deal. So stay tuned and we will walk you through the whole process of buying the new car and how you can negotiate with the car dealers and how you can squeeze the best deal out of you guys. So stay tuned. So here we are, guys. So we are currently at a Jack Daniels dealership of Kia in New Jersey. So this is where we are going to be checking out some of the car deals. So this is where we are going to be checking out some of the cool cars. So this is that is right behind it. So I will also be doing a auto review for this car later on. So you may make sure to check that out. And this one is Kia Sportage that we will be looking at today, that we are looking to buy the car. Okay, so we have found one of their Kia clients, Anthony. So he's going to be helping us today as well. So, and we will be working with Anthony today. We will walk you through the car buying process for our client. So let's stay tuned. White and gray. So white and gray are the colors we are going to be looking at.
There's only they're two separate cars though. You want to see?
Like you mean the trim wise or?
No, there's the color of the car.
Color of the car.
There's a white one and then there's a gray one. Which one do you guys prefer?
So let's white one first. Or?
White one?
Yeah, let's.
Let me grab the key and I'll show it to you.
Okay, sounds good. So this is like the base model, or?
Yeah, this is more of a base model, but it has everything you need there.
Okay, cool. Okay, so these are some of the cars that they are going to be showing us. So our client has not preferred to go with the black color, so we are going to be going either with the white color or the gray color. So these are some of the specs. So according to the agent, the LX base. So according to the agent, the LX base model has pretty much all the features that our client has requested. So mostly they are looking for some blind spot alerts and regular Bluetooth backup camera, regular Android Auto and Apple CarPlay support. So it looks like Kia is one of the very good dealerships. So they are providing you all these cool features in their base LX model. So and it is also very reasonable and economical. So we will be going and checking out the interior of the car and checking out the features for ourselves, and we will keep you guys posted how it goes. So we have finally found the car. So we are going to be heading towards the lot where they have the new cars parked. So let's check it out. Oh, shucks.
All-wheel drive. The white.
This is the LX base model, right?
Yep. Let me just check something out. Yeah. So the only thing this wouldn't have, this wouldn't have the blind spot detection though.
No blind spot.
It has CarPlay, it has rear view camera, heated seats.
It has collision detection or no? Front collision detection.
Yep.
And Android Auto and CarPlay.
Android, yep.
Okay. It's open, right?
Yeah, it's open. You want to check it out?
Yes. Sure. So guys, unfortunately, our client has preferred not to go with the base LX model. So as you guys could also see, the interior was not very nice. So now we are checking out this Kia Seltos. So this appears to look like have a better interior, and also the driver's display is much better than the base model of Kia Sportage that we saw. So we are waiting on the keys So we are waiting to get the keys to check out the interior of this car. So this particular one is the 2024 Kia Seltos EX all-wheel drive, and the MSRP that they're advertising is $29,640. So let me show you the back. So these are all actually Kia Seltos that are parked around here, and this is the back side of how it looks. So this is what we are going to be checking next, guys. So guys, we have finally got the key. So let's take a look at the interior. So this is what we are looking at. So the door is again same soft touch plastic, but at least they have softer soft leather armrest support. some basic stuff, your regular speakers and your regular controls for your side windows. And this particular one apparently has the electronics adjustment for the driver side. And this is the interior of this car. So the regular Kia logo, so the newly designed Kia logo. So there's a leather strapped steering wheel, and this is the interior. So this at least have that the seamless glass LED screen that we were talking about in the previous car. So this stuff is same soft as plastic, and the dashboard storage is actually very recent, so it is wider than I thought. And the side doors pretty simplistic, lock and unlock, and the window controls. And this is your central console, and center storage pretty decent. This is also coming out with the sunroof. And the seating space is actually very average. I mean, very decent for this size. So this is actually a smaller, compact version than the Kia Sportage, but interior looks like it's better than the base model of the LX that we saw. So we are going to be discussing the pricing and with the dealer, that the agent that is helping us out. So that's why. So stay tuned. We'll keep you guys posted if you like this car or not. So guys, unfortunately the deal couldn't work out at the Kia dealership for a very disappointing reason. As you guys could see in the background, we are now at a Mazda dealership, and the reason was this paper around in here. So this was actually very disappointing that the Kia guys, they are still charging the markup. So this is the paper that they gave us with all the numbers that came up. So we were trying to work out on the numbers for this 2024 Kia Seltos EX all-wheel drive, and when they gave us the final numbers, look at this guys, this MVA 1995. So this is the kind of a markup they are charging on top of the MSRP. So this is actually very disappointing that these guys are still charging the markup, and even though a lot of the dealership, they have started giving discounts on the overall MSRP, and the Kia guys, they are still charging the markup even in this market when things have improved a lot. So this was a very disappointing reason, and it was like a straight up no negotiation. They kind of like pretty much told us that like take it or leave it kind of a deal, like on top of the MSRP give us like 2,000 extra, take it or leave it. So that was very disappointing. So that was the reason we turned down the deal at a Kia dealership. So now we are at a Mazda dealership, so we will be checking out if they do the same behavior. So let's go ahead and check it out. So now this is our next step. So we are at a Ramsey showroom of Mazda in New Jersey. So we are going to be checking out some of their CX-5 and the CX-50 that they have. So this is the same range SUV that our client has been looking at. So we will be checking out the specs and negotiating the prices. So if we find a better deal from the Mazda guys or no. So we will keep you guys posted, so stay tuned.